Today we'll be going over a simple method for being able to spend your crypto without having to switch it back into fiat. So today we'll be going over a platform called BitRefill, right? With BitRefill, their whole thing is you can live on crypto. So it gives you access to things like DoorDash, Instacart, Airbnb, Outback Steakhouse, virtual prepaid Visa cards, Bed Bath and Beyond, Hotels.com, Uber. You got e-commerce options, popular Amazon and Walmart. Groceries, so that'll include Instacart, Kroger, Uber Eats, Sam's Club, etc., etc. You got travel, streaming, home improvement, gaming, which is pretty big, rewards and discounts, etc., etc. Right? You can even top up your phone bill with this, right? So moving forward, right here, they got a breakdown of what BitRefill is in their own words, right? So it says BitRefill is a leading crypto e-commerce store that allows users to live on crypto by purchasing digital gift cards, eSIMs, and phone refills with Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. We also offer bill payment services in specific countries and plan to expand this service to more locations in the future. Right? So we're gonna go through a transaction in real time so y'all can see what it look like. Let's pick let's do DoorDash, right? We're gonna go to DoorDash. You put your amount in. I'm gonna click $40. What does that equal out to in BTC? So that comes out to 0.00041,085 in Bitcoin, right? Hit add to cart, check out. We're gonna choose Bitcoin. We're gonna hit skip because we don't have to sign into a wallet to do this. Now we get to the part where all you gotta do. Now we're at the part where all you have to do is scan this QR code right here, right? You scan this QR code. All right, so now at this point, this is where you actually pay or send your Bitcoin. So you're gonna take the Bitcoin QR code and you're gonna scan that using your wallet that you're holding the Bitcoin in. After that, or okay. So this is the part right here where you actually send the Bitcoin, right? So you're going to send it to this QR code or this address. You can scan this QR code using your wallet that you're holding the Bitcoin in, or you can copy this public address or public key, and you can send it to that. It gives you a timer. It gives you a timer of, basically 30 minutes. And within that time, as long as you can get your payment over there, you're good. To pay that says 0.00040,969 BTC. So what you want to do is send a little bit extra just to have that threshold. Unless you're topping it up with $40 and only planning to spend 30. But that's it. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor in any type of way. This is just simply a walkthrough video on how to use the platform and an example of a transaction on BitRefill. So hopefully this answers some of your questions on ways to be able to use your crypto for regular everyday use. If you have any questions, come over to the Starter Kit. We're in Discord. We're also on GetStarterKit.com. We have the current market dashboard. Check us out. And that's all for today. Appreciate your time. Starter Kit. Here are the tools. Just start.